So hello to my latest video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how you can upload a pre-recorded video to the Restream scheduler in order for you to schedule a live show on your Facebook page or your YouTube channel or any of the other social channels that you wish to broadcast to. Now, this is a really good way of going live on your page or your social channels without actually having to do it yourself in person in the live status. Now, one of the reasons I am recommending that you give this a go is because if you're not very confident about going live, or you're not sure about how to reply to the comments or what the procedure is, actually going live with a pre-recorded video is a really useful way of growing your confidence and your experience and your skill set whilst you get used to how everything works. It's a really useful stepping stone for you to learn the skill set and also the procedure that you need to do whilst you are actually live through your Restream producer. So my name is Anita Wong and I'm a digital enabler and trainer. And I help entrepreneurs just like you to grow in confidence online by helping to empower you with the skills at your fingertips. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions whatsoever about what I'm explaining in this video, please pop them in the comments below where you are watching this video and I will answer them as soon as I can. Okay, so the best thing for me to do to explain to you how to actually upload a pre-recorded video into the Restream scheduler is to share my screen with you. Okay, so here we are inside the Restream dashboard. And in order for you to schedule a pre-recorded video, we need to go down on the left-hand side to the scheduler area. So once inside the scheduler area, you need to upload a video to the scheduler before you can actually pop your video into the queue. So in order for you to do that, you click the video tab, come over here and click upload video. It's going to open up your own computer and you're going to be able to select a video to upload. So let's go for this one here and then we're going to click open. So the time it takes for the video to upload will depend on your own internet settings. And you won't be able to schedule the video until it's fully uploaded into the Restream dashboard. Now, one thing to remember when you are about to upload your video into the scheduler area is to make sure that the name of the video is quite clear and concise, because that's what's going to be shared into the scheduled live. So when the scheduled live actually appears on your social platform, it will have your video title as the header and description. Okay, so once the upload is complete, you do need to allow the video to be completely uploaded into the Restream server. So this can take anything between 5 or 10 minutes for this procedure to be completed. And it is recommended that you do this at least 2 hours before you want to schedule your live pre-recorded video into the queue. But once this has been completed, then you'll be able to go to the queue and select the schedule recorded video. And until that point, you're going to get this pop-up come up. So you just need to wait until it's fully finished rendering your video. Once that's done, then I'll show you how to actually add it to your queue so that your pre-recorded video will turn up completely live on your social channel. So here we are, here it is now, it's completely uploaded, and as you can see, it's all ready to go. So all we need to do now is go to the queue and click schedule recorded video. Now, as you can see, it does give you some hints to avoid issues with your live stream. Ensure that all files are over 2 gigabytes are scheduled at least 2 hours in advance. So it's just worth giving it that time frame to make sure everything works according to plan. So like I said before, the title of your video will be taken from your video inside the file on your computer. You can, however, change the title to one that you feel is more suitable for the title of your video and of course of your live presentation, which is going to be going up onto your Facebook business page or your YouTube or whichever social channel you want to pop it on. Here is the video that we've selected. Now here is the time and date that you can pre-schedule it. So you can go ahead and pre-schedule it for as far ahead as you wish. So for August, I'm in August at the moment, so I'm going to pre-schedule it for Friday And then you can set your time. So the time zone will be set to where you are as it is. So I'm in London, so I'm going to set this off at 1 p.m. So you can just add it in like that, and then you can choose whether it's AM or PM on this little drop down. In the advanced section, you can choose which channels you would like your scheduled live to show up on. So once you've connected your channels, and if you don't know how to do that, I do have a previous video that shows you how to set up your Restream dashboard for success, and I will pop the link to that underneath this video. So you go ahead down here and you choose which platforms you would like your scheduled video to show up on. So I'm going to toggle on YouTube, and I'm also going to toggle it on to my Facebook business page. Down here, you can actually have the option to repeat it, but I'm not going to do that for now. And you can have it in intervals. If, for instance, you have this video and you might want to repeat it maybe a couple of times a month, if it's, say, a promotional video, then this will be a really good feature to use. And then all that's left to do is to go ahead and schedule your recorded video. Now, once scheduled, as you can see the date here, Friday the 21st of August at 12 midday, and you can see the title is here, and you can also see that it's scheduled to go onto YouTube and onto my Facebook business page. Now, it doesn't show up actually on the social channels, it will just appear live straight away. If you decide between the time that you schedule it and when it's due to actually go live that you need to edit your video at any point, you can go ahead and click the three little dots at the side here and click edit, and you'll be able to go back into this section and change things around. So here we are on my YouTube channel. So what will happen at the designated date and time is that my live stream will pop up at the beginning here. So what happens usually is that on the YouTube platform, you'll have a section where your live streams will show. So when my live stream becomes active on here, all of my subscribers will get notified that I've gone live, and they'll be able to watch my live stream on my channel, and they'll be able to comment and like my live stream as it's being played. And I, as the host, will be able to go in and interact with them. Now, you can actually interact with them either on the chosen platform that you're on, or what you can do is you can go into the Restream dashboard, click these three little dots and open up the chat window. Now, the chat window will enable you to open the chat whilst you are live. So you'll be able to actually converse with all the different social platforms whilst your video is live streaming. So you can either download it for your chosen computer. So I'm on a Mac, so it's asking me to download it for my Mac. If, of course, you're on a PC, it will ask you to download it for a PC. Or alternatively, you can open it straight in the browser. So if you click on open in the browser, it's actually going to open up the chat ready for when you have new messages. And down here, when you go live, you'll see that the live stream where you're actually live will show up. So when my video goes live on YouTube, I will have my live stream up here ready. So all we've got to do now is to wait for the video to go live, and I'll just show you what it looks like from the viewer's point of view. As you can see now, inside the scheduler, it said that the video is starting soon. So it's got a countdown so that you can get ready to go into your chosen platform or via the Restream chat and converse with your audience when they join you on the live video. So what's going to happen now is it's going to automatically publish my pre-recorded video as a live stream to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you exactly what happens right now. So now it says that my event is live, so I can go to my YouTube channel and refresh the page. And as you can see here now, I have my live stream. So when I click on it, so I've clicked on it, and what's happened now is that it is playing live to my audience. And as you can see here, the chat inside of YouTube is open, so I can actually converse with my followers. And also I can actually share this whilst it's live if I wanted to. So I could share this video to my Twitter account, and it would bring my live stream to Twitter for everybody to see as well. So I could go ahead and just tweet that, and that's going to go on to Twitter. So that's going to increase the reach of my video as well. So it's a really good way of you growing content, because I'm not actually doing the live stream, but it is being streamed live to my YouTube platform, and everybody can actually see it who is actually on my YouTube channel at the moment. So if I wanted to, I could add in some chat, so ask away. So I'm actually able to really converse. So go ahead and let that go, and it's on there. Let's have a little look at the chat. So as you can see, inside my Restream chat in my browser, I have the question up here from YouTube, and down the bottom here, when we click it, you can go ahead and click there, and I can actually keep typing. Down the bottom here, you can see very carefully, there is a little 3 with an I. That's actually telling me that 3 people are watching my live stream on my YouTube channel. So it's a really, really good way of you actually interacting with your audience whilst you are playing a pre-recorded video as if you are live. So it's a really, really great way of you increasing your confidence and becoming more apt at going live on your platforms. So back into the Restream. So back into the Restream scheduler, you can see that we're still going live here. Everything is going according to plan. If you need to stop it, you can stop it, but we're not going to let it stop. It's just going to carry on playing. Then once it's finished playing, what happens is that it will automatically stop. It will automatically close down, and it will be as if you've gone live yourself, but actually we've actually played a pre-recorded video. So let's just hop back into YouTube, and as you can see, it's still playing. So we'll just wait until this is finished, and then I will show you what happens inside the scheduler once the video has finished. Okay, so the video is nearly coming to an end. So I want to show you what will happen at the end so that you're prepared for when you actually upload your own pre-recorded video to a live stream on any of your social media platforms. It will be the same action that happens on any of the social media platforms that you actually upload your live stream to. So it will automatically end the live stream for you, and we'll watch it as it does it. So now the live stream has ended, and as you can see, it says it's finished. If we go over to YouTube, it's already ended, and it says thanks for tuning in. So that's how easy it is. And you've been able to go to the chat and interact with everybody. So that's how easy it is to actually share a pre-recorded video to your live stream using the Restream.io software. So if you have any questions whatsoever, or you'd like to give Restream a go, I've popped a link to Restream in the comments below. It's a really useful tool. Once you've grown in confidence by sharing the pre-recorded videos, you can of course go live inside the live studio, which is inside of Restream, and you can do that from your computer browser anywhere you are. If you have any questions whatsoever about this video or what I've taught you, then please pop them in the comments below and I will answer those for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell if you want notification of the next time I go live.